So let's say, suppose a number, composite number, is 75. So we can find the prime factor of this number. So if the prime factorization is written, then it is 5 square into 3 to the power 1. So any composite number can be expressed as a prime factorization. So suppose if let's generalize this concept. If suppose a number n is there, so p1 power lambda 1, p2 power lambda 2, p3 power lambda 3, so on. So the total number of factors will be lambda 1 plus 1 into lambda 2 plus 1 into lambda 3 plus 1, and so on, where lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3 are the powers of the prime factors. Similarly, if the product of the factors is asked, then the number n itself to the power of the total number of factors divided by 2. This is the total number of factors, lambda 1 plus 1, lambda 2 plus 1, lambda 3 plus 1 in multiplication form divided by 2. So let's see, and we will understand this in a better way. So suppose a number 75. So these are the factors of 75. 1 is a factor, 3, then 5, then 15, then 25, then 75. So total 6 factors are there. So how to make up a formula from this? So we can find the prime factorization first. 5 15 bar 15 ja, then 5 3 times. So if you write 75 in prime factor form, then 5 squared into 3 power 1. So there are two prime factor of 75, 5 and 3, and the power is 2 and 1. So the total, if we find the total number of factors, then we know that it is 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, which is 3 into 2, 6. You can verify this. We have seen the 6 factors, and this by this formula also we get 6. And if we want to find the product of the factors, product of all the factors of 75, then let's see. So 1 into 3 into 5 into 15 into 25 into 75. Now watch very carefully. So if we multiply the first factor with the last one, 1 into 75, you get 75. Now multiply the second factor with the second last one, 3 into 25, you get 75. Now multiply the third factor with the third last, again 5 into 75, 5 into 15, you get 75. So you can see that you get 75 each times. So the value will be 75 to the power of the total number of factors divided by 2. Like you have to, we are pairing, we are getting how many pairs. So here we have got 3 pairs. So power 3 means the total number of factors which you have got by this formula, lambda 1 plus lambda 2 lambda 3 plus 1, total number of factors divided by 2 in power form, n is the number itself. So let's see one more example. Suppose this is a question 360. You can't find the factors of this number individually, or so let's see how we will proceed this by the formula. So number of factors, so we will find the prime factor 180, then 2 times divide 90, then 2 times 45, then 5 times 9, then 3 times 3. So 360 can be written as 2 cube into 5 power 1 3 square. So there are total 3 prime factor, and these are the powers of the prime factor. So now the total number of factors will be, number of factors of 360 will be 3, the first power plus 1 into the second power which is 1 plus 1, the third power which is 2 plus 1. You get 4 into 2 into 3, which is 24. So you don't have to find the number of factors individually. So you can just use this formula, you got 24. So what will be the product of these factors? Product of all factors of 360. So you know that we will again find the pairs. So our formula was the number itself 360 to the power of total number of factors divided by 2, and we know that there are 24, then it will be 24 divided by 2, which will be 12. 360 power 12 will be answer. So I hope you may have cleared your doubt. on these types of questions, and you can easily go through these questions. Thank you.